I remember the first time I saw the words Arbeit macht frei. I was traumatized, starved, soaked in human waste. I looked to be the inhuman, useless creature the Nazis characterized us as being. I remember perched above in towers or spotlights on green uniformed Waffen SS guards. Their guns pointed at the camp. And as we were driven closer, we heard the sound of an orchestra playing. The words Auschwitz on a sign, and just below it, Arbeit macht frei. Work makes you free. We knew it wasn't meant to be a promise, or even a pledge. The truth was that death was the path to freedom. It was grotesque. And then, of course, on the news last week about the desecration of the Jewish graves in Aldershot, a swastika painted on a grave. Why would someone do that?